And welcome to the Greenmoxie farm. We're really happy to have you here today. And today we're making bread. Now, I have made a recipe that's just for a single loaf. I like to plat the bread because it's easier to break apart with your hands when you're out in the woods. And it bakes more evenly and it just looks pretty. But you can make a loaf, you can make buns, you can use it for pizza dough, or you could put some butter and sugar and cinnamon on it and make some cinnamon buns right here in the woods. Thank you so much for joining us today. We love you very much, and we'll see you soon.